with another unboxing. As you can see behind me and in these boxes, I have a lot to share. I have so many requests from girls that are like, I need a good boot for Broadway or a concert boot that I don't care about getting messed up, or just an affordable, cute fashion cowgirl boot. I know not everyone can invest in more of like an expensive brand. Like I love my Luke Casey's, my Tacovas, my Dan Post, but some people are just looking for a lower end alternative, and that is okay. I'm here to tell you I was born and raised in the Western culture and in a Western lifestyle, and it's okay to have both or to buy from Amazon. Like, don't let people bully you for that kind of stuff, okay? So anyways, we're gonna unbox some boots. I partnered with Dream Pair, and I'm gonna show you some fashion forward cowgirl boots that you can wear once, you can wear twice, 3 times to country concerts, down Broadway, whatever you need, all different colors and styles, so let's jump in. All of these boots are in the range of $30 and $50, so they're affordable, so you won't feel too bad if you get down on Broadway and ruin them. But the first pair I'm going to show you are a denim boot, and I just want to say that I always want to be the influencer that touches on all price ranges, on all kinds of different styles, and just really stays true to myself. And so I wanted to just make sure that you know it's acceptable to wear what you want. What makes you happy, that's all that matters. So we got these denim boots. They have a white stitching with a brown heel, super cute, and I can't wait to do a try on haul for you guys. I'm going to try all these on and show them to you. Second pair is a pink pair. I thought these were super cute. They're suede, which will be good for fall. And they're pink, so they will go with anything that you need to pull a pop of pink out. And they are a little brown heel. They're a little shorter, maybe like to your calf, and they've got pink stitching as well. Next is a red pair. I like that this heel is black. I saw one of my favorite people to follow styled these, and they were for a Morgan Wallen concert. And they are red. They're super soft leather with the red stitching and the black heel. And I love that their taller boots have a zipper all the way down, so you can get them off and on, because if you've seen some of my videos, sometimes I have a hard time getting them boots off. You know, your feet swell when you're standing for so long. So these are probably my #1 favorite that I've gotten, but we've got 4 more pairs. Next up are a chocolate brown pair with a blue and cream stitching, which I think is very unique. It's like a turquoise actually, with the full zipper and a brown heel. This is gonna be a lower heel for those girls that don't want that little bit of a heel. These are super cute, and these are gonna be taller as well. Next up, we got a black boot, a black heel, black leather, full zipper. These are a good neutral, literally, and they are a wider calf. I know I get that question a lot, and they seem to be a little wider on the top, and they've got the full zipper. These are leather. These are the same style as the red, but in solid black. Next up, we got the famous cream Amazon boots. This is the same style leg as the black and red, but with a taller heel, so they do have like more of a heel boot option if you want. It's got the full zipper, the wider calf, and it's white on white, or cream. I would say cream on cream. So this is a good, just solid neutral boot. Last but not least, we have another red boot, but this one is I wanted to showcase because it's a little different. It's going to be the same style as that turquoise and brown chocolate boot I showed, but it's got red with the cream stitching, so you get a little more of a design. It is a wider calf. This one only has a half zipper, like the chocolate, that doesn't go all the way up, but this is more of like a round toe option as well, so a little different style. But you can shop them all on my Amazon, and stay tuned for a try.